Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday, guys. So I'm going to start with gold. So before I go that, I go on the analysis. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. You see. So I just want to show you some good stuff. Remember, firstly, we still have that $10 special or VIP special. So I just want to show you my Telegram groups. So you can see that the special is still $10, guys. Don't miss this, because you can't get this special anywhere. And you're going to get NASDAQ 100, US30, DAX40 or 30, France 40, US oil, gold and currency pairs signals on the Telegram, and you pay once and you forget. And again, even the system now, you see the system, this system now, from now on, is going to be $10. So it means if you want to pay for VIP signals and also for the system, it's only $20. 10. I hope you understand that. So on this Telegram group, I hope you can see that nicely. You see here. So on this group, you can find so many things. You can see there's files. You can find robots, indicators, things that they can help you. To join this group, you can just check the thing here. You can even check the description. You will find those things. Then even sometimes I even send some free signals. You can see here, free signal. This is a buy. You can see here people already made some small profit. So I give so many things. You can see the files are like multiple. It's robots, indicators and stuff like that. So you can see it's like 1,297 files shared. That include indicators, robots and other materials, you see. So I hope maybe you understand that. Please don't miss the special. So I'm starting with gold today. Why? Because I don't want to make this video very long. So I'm on a 4-hour time frame. Why? Because I want you to see the bigger picture. I want you to see what's really happening. So I'm deleting this because this I used that as my entries. You can see that actually we are in profit. So what do we see before? While I'm still opening the pen, guys, it's your time. It's your time. Please hit that subscribe button. Just smash the subscribe button. So while my pen is still opening, obviously you will be liking, sharing with your friends. So what you see, guys, we see that the market is like giving us a very steep move, which is called an uptrend. This is an uptrend. On an uptrend, we only do what? We only buy. We don't sell on an uptrend. So we buy here, the market pushes up. We buy here, the market pushes up. We buy here, the market pushes up. We buy here, the market can also do the same thing. I hope you understand that. So, but doesn't mean like we just only buy here. If we bought here, we might have some nice entries going up again. We can ride the trend going up until we see something like the market is starting to go lower. I hope you understand that. So here, what I see is quite straightforward. It's quite straightforward. What I see is the market reached the support area. The market reached the support area. If you missed my previous video, please go back, watch the videos, because they're going to help you to understand whatever that is happening here. So we see that the market reached the support area, which it's been here for some time. So now the market is trying to do what? To push up. Remember, the market won't just push straight up. The market will just consolidate, slowly pushing up, coming back, pushing up. That's how the market does its thing, you see. What if maybe the market breaks the support? If the market keeps going lower, we might see the market breaking this area, and we will see the market going lower, which we can also appreciate. We don't have to say the market has to do whatever that we say it's going to do. No. But as long as you know what you're trading. If you know you don't trade gold, don't just jump on the market and say, now I'm starting to trade gold, because that you going to experience different moves. Volatility is quite different from whatever that you trade. So it's going to be a new thing. Make sure that you learn that before you do it, before you trade. I hope you understand that. So if the market is going to break this area, it's where we can expect the market to sell off. I expect if we see that breakout, we can say maybe now the market is trying to create a downtrend, something like that. But at the moment, since we are still above our support, we only think about doing what? Buying. I hope you understand that. So let's go to the next one, which is NASDAQ. NASDAQ has been selling off yesterday, and now maybe, but what I think is, what I see or what I think is, this thing already broke. Let me remove this. It's broken. You can see this is still 4-hour time frame. The market broke that support. The market broke that support, which what I see is, I expect, or what I see is, you see that the retest came because the market pushed lower, came and retest here. Then I think since this thing has been buying like this, we might see the market starting to give us this type of moves. But mostly on NASDAQ, you might see with just a very long candlestick, something like this. Another one might come here, do something like that. Then after, the market can recover. I don't think maybe it's going to go with a very nice downtrend. I think it's gonna just go like really crazy before we see the market recovering. But why? Sorry. Why? Because we were on a very nice uptrend. You can see that the market was just going up. From there, the market started to change the trend, and we see that because the market just broke out of that support. The market just broke out of that support, and once that it's broken, it means now the market is changing the direction. Unless if maybe the market is going to respect this area that I've drawn, because I see the market respected this area, so I had to draw that and try to confirm with whatever that I see on my left side. And I see that, okay, there is an area or a zone which maybe the market might come again, try to retest that before pushing up. But if maybe the market is trying to do its thing, we might see the market breaking this area, pushing lower and lower. I hope you understand that. Do you understand that? Just say yes on the comment side if you understand what I'm trying to say here. So what I can do is I can just wait for the market to reach the highest, the lowest point before I say a buy. But I need to see a very nice structure. I need to have the structure. Let's go to a bit smaller time frame and see what we can expect from this area. We see that the market is creating, look at these areas, higher high, higher high. Then after we break this thing, they're going to be higher lows. You can see that the market gives us something like this. We might see something like continuing like that, because we see 1, 2, 3, 4. We might see 5, 6, 7. It means the market might start to show you that I'm going down, because you can see the market is not breaking this level. The market is not breaking this level because since it was going down, it never came back around this area. So we will say a different thing. If we see this area now is marked, we might see the market going lower. If it comes back and not break this area, we might say, okay, this thing is still on a bearish momentum. But if we see a breakout from that area, we can say, you see now, the market is changing that. Or if maybe the market is going to cancel this lower high, we can say, you see that, now the market is trying to push lower. You can start to draw your things and start, if you draw them like this, it will seem like this is a breakout. Let's just draw that before we say something that we don't see. That doesn't make sense. Let's see. I think like this is also something. Do you see that? I think that can also make something, because I see this area, the market touched that. Now if that is touched, it means this is going to, let me remove this all. It means the market might respect this area, then push up, because the market just creates its thing. We can see the market was just going lower, then after that the market just broke out of that, which means maybe the market wants to push higher again. We just have a small sell-off, then the market decided to try to push up again. That is also possible, but the thing is, don't confuse yourself in this. This is no longer makes sense. since the market broke out of that. So it means now we are here. So we're just waiting for the market. Actually, yeah, we're just waiting for the market to retest here and see if maybe we'll see another push, because it's possible that the market can even come back around this support and push up again, or maybe break out and we might see a sell-off. Something like that might happen. I hope you understand that. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and thanks to everyone who already subscribed, guys. You make this channel look good. Please don't forget to like also. Now we are on US30. We are on US30. Also, US30 is also selling off, or we can say it's also on a bearish momentum, or on a downtrend. Why? We drawn our lines and they make sense. Sorry, they make sense that, okay, this thing, it was going up before, you can see that, then the market broke out of that. I mean, broke out of that uptrend. Now we see the market keeping going lower, but it seems like inside that downtrend we also have another counter trend line. I call them inner trends lines, which means there are the other bigger ones like this one. There's a very strong resistance or support, but inside you might find that you still have the other one. We can continue scaling up with them when the market keeps going, because sometimes you can't just wait for the market to reach to come back on the resistant area again. But when you check, this thing still makes sense. It means you can enter around these zones and you can still make money. I hope you understand that. So this is called a counter trend line. So what I expect here, I expect that the market is going to respect this area, push lower, do something like this, maybe even come around the resistance until the market decides to buy again. Why? Because people made some nice profits. Maybe now they just taking out their profits. That's why we see the market going lower. When the market is down again, people, they will be ready to buy. It's where we're going to see the market going up. I hope you understand that. So the best thing that you can do for those who sell, yeah, they can keep selling. Why? Because this is on a downtrend now. They can keep selling around this area. When it comes here, they can sell, or if maybe it comes here, they can keep selling. I only buy, unfortunately. So it means when you see the market going down, actually there's no opportunity for me. I'm just waiting and look for other things. It's also good, you refresh your mind. You can always trade, so it's a good thing. So let's see what you can get on a bigger time frame, or you see. So it means, to me, I think this area, it seems to be quite strong. This is a 4-hour time frame. This area it seems to be quite strong. So I expect that if the market comes around this area again and not break this area, now I'm just going to buy around this area zone going up. Maybe it might come here in respect again, maybe something like that. So, and this might end up creating a wedge, something like this, where the market is going to get like, or something like this, where the market is just going to move and start to squeeze around this until we see a breakout going up or going down. I hope you understand that. So let's go to the next one. I don't want to make these videos very long, guys. Let's go to German 30 or German 40. So German 30 or German 40, they also do the same thing, guys. You can see that firstly we had a very nice uptrend, and now that uptrend is broken. It's DAX, guys. It's DAX 40, 30 or 40, because some brokers, they still use 30, so I'll just write what I see. You see, it's German 30 or 40. So what do we see here? We see a very nice uptrend. It's a very nice uptrend. We see that the market is pushing up. After that, we see the market breaking that area, and guess what? We don't really see where it's our support, but this is giving us a clue, because we see that the market respected here several times. So let's just go there and see what's really happening. You see, the market is giving us a clue and say, you know what, I'm respecting this area. So it gives us a power, or like at least something to rely on and say, you know what, from this area I need to draw something. There is no point going back. Even if you start, you end up here, it's still fine. But remember, the market just broke out of our uptrend, which means the market is actually going down. But as we have this support here, we can say now the market is waiting. So we're just waiting for the market whether to break this area and sell off, or maybe it's going to break and try to push higher again, and maybe try to create another uptrend going higher. Or the opposite, it's also true. We might see the market doing something like this. I hope you understand that. So it means you just have to wait for the breakout, or you can draw your downtrend line and wait for a market to break. If it's retested, then you can say I buy. But at the moment, it's just a time just for you to relax. You are not forced to trade when there is no opportunity. You are not forced to trade when there is no opportunity. So let's see what I can give you now. Let me just give you US oil, then we'll be done. So US oil is also playing the same game that we saw on US30, because just look at this. We are on a downtrend, you can see that, and we also have a counter trend line, which is an inner trend line. Then we have a support around this area, and when we look at our left, we see an area where the market is respected, but the market comes back and bounce here. It means now it's confirming that, okay, when I come there, I will always respect. But we can't just say it will always respect. We must be careful. We just have to wait for some bullish candlesticks. When they start to happen around this area, then we can do what? We can buy. I think I sent a signal, or I no longer remember, but I think I sent a signal around this area, maybe day before yesterday. So what do we see now? We see that we are still on a downtrend, and the market really respected these areas. So it means even here the market might respect that again. If not, we will see the market breaking, pushing up, maybe reaching this area, maybe breaking, going up, or maybe it will just come back again, something like that. I hope you understand. So the best thing is you can just wait for the market to give you some signals of selling if you want to sell. As this is a downtrend, it's fine if you sell. So, but wait for a signal for you, maybe some bearish candlesticks trying to happen here, then you can sell, you see. But without that, I don't think you should just push it. Just wait for the market to give you some nice structure where maybe you will find the market here, or maybe where you will find the market here. It's easy for you to sell, and it's easy for you to buy around those areas. I hope you understand, guys. Please don't forget that we have a special $10 special for system indicator, where it's going to give you some signals for NASDAQ, US30s, whatever. And the VIP signals that I will be sending in my VIP group is only $10. Support the group. Or maybe if you're tired with so many whatever expensive signals, test what maybe I'm trying to offer you. Maybe you will find something that you were looking for. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex.